I'm we na movie na masa akoye Glazers out. Omo anso na etuto oh da bi Akomeah enfa bibia anto nchen we. Edu baby a mo nye frɛ to omo. Mo be we nyina na season na sha ase amasa akofa sa abana kakra. Mo akofa bana kakra ka bi. Abi you ade na serious nyatwome. Oh look maybe nkoma anybody led by Guy Devil. Omo nyatwomfo. When they fail, then they find a way to disrupt the season.
I don't think anyone.
Glazers out.
I don't think.
And the Glazers are taking money from Manchester United. If that is the argument, fine. Backing, investing into the team.
I don't think anyone has a problem with the Glazer family backing Manchester United.
You have considerably shown Wakra in person. Said the Glazers are not the right owners for Manchester United.
Yes, of course.
The argument now borders on free team. They don't spend on the team. They don't spend on what team?
Who said they don't spend on the team? Who said they don't spend on the team? And Scott, what is spending on the team now? So don't ask you a loan. And it's the club that is paying for those loans.
Don't even bring that in.
And it's the club that is paying for those loans. So any day.
Don't bring me equity.
So a club na nkasa na ana eto.
Me equity. Makoje Bosia abeto.
Owi abubeka asemi wa.
TV. Makoje Bosia abeto SOMPA TV. Na me di sika sanche SOMPA TV mu ye. Se na be ya mu dwuma mu di no mbenye sika. Na me di se sika ni bi akotua sika na me koje baaye no. Like, ooh, Kasa as a fan. He's also looking at their business.
Yes.
Americans, that's how they buy. They always buy teams with leverage equity from somewhere. Now the Liverpool come on toy. How did they buy Liverpool?
Abu mate me akaza.
Mama Bishop announce.
Mr. Liverpool. Of course. That's how they do.
Abu. The problem Manchester United fans have with the Glazers family. And you're about say Omombaki coach and Ase Bibisa. It boils down from different aspects of the game, especially we're looking at how club and the city and Muji to say even this commodity players this season is on a credit line. Credit line is the club that will pay the interest on it. Compared to other clubs are honest, City to one say no Sheikh Mansour Mutamska and Yabosiano Akobo no de say Manchester City entry as Abosiano. Even if say Bosnia Crampo no akojide banokrana and Manchester City ni betri asa Abosiano.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes.
The Sheikh Mansour Tam Nisika or Tim Kojilo no de abeshe Man City.
On yes alone and say I'm only citing an example because onu diska beshema and yes ko be free Manchester City wo.
How?
And Manchester United so says Glazer family nkula o ma be fa team o papa free mu ko yo be fa team no. Bibi on be or club ni be fa loan ho bia. It is the club that is supposed to pay for it in the aspect and pays them dividend. And pays them dividends. And pays them dividends.
The objectives are different. So you can't compare both.
Now these guys bought a multi-billion-dollar team. How do you compare it to buying a team
that
from
is why I say
please calm down. Please calm down. Debbie. And yes, I need and yes, I need and yes, I need
very, very interesting. Apostle, yeah, not the idea of a person who bomb this. Uzi Suande. Etino, or you we are. Tina will cancel Apostle with you.
Adibako say Akomeah as say business sort business from different dynamic. Fans will always be fans. I don't have a problem with that. But from baby a bishop Ephraim buy now. You have SOMPA TV example. Say me better SOMPA TV. Baby music everybody and for. Now me discover share SOMPA TV mo. Manchester SOMPA TV. Discover am go fast can I say make sure say my share SOMPA TV. Me say confirm my fan no betimi adwuma na mama nya faso.
Yes.
Say faso be free SOMPA TV ba no. Me and I say me determine whether I'll use that or another source of revenue.
SOMPA Sports.
If they decide to use Manchester United, first of all, when they came, they bought Manchester United. More investing into the club. And Manchester United, one beton say a philanthropic organization, a foundation, a club, a business.
Business number.
So, year business they do baby. A Saudi cash business, is can be free hold. So they say, Eddie can't, Eddie Toadie, Bonnie Bien. Na se dum pempe so bi na business onye sika bro so bebre na omukwa na general don declare so this year the sika na eba bebre a enu de mo amode o mu chefa o mu no mo to me decide say dividend no kra no ya fo say be edu ye say sika poto eko top players enu na ye nya mbetimi akasa ba enu nya ndu onu ma because Manchester United as it is today you know that Manchester United you are in a lot of debt.
Yes,
you are in a lot of debt,
over £1 billion.
Good. So club now wants to see club nankasa the sika machine. But in terms of the profitability ratio of the club, it's first form. Aha. Wow. So I saw more making sure say playing body no na sebiu e jira ye na quality wo na e kon nima na mo ya dia e no na e wo skadaba in terms of sponsorship. Okay, money Adidas the issue about the 75 million pound. They included in this one the fourth in the league for a particular year
for 2 consecutive years.
So it is team no performance about 80% of what returns you get. So there's businessman, don't blame them. When American come to your team, I saw some of the son of I thought to me complain about Liverpool or complain with this star. Omo Marco Farm is a bonsambino. Marco Farm son of Bayeno.
Exactly.
Uteze. Where more young from more Arab. Omo the Manchester City any who is Saudi Arabia, Newcastle for instance. Omo objective then are different from Wemu. And omo come fast run your business are different from Wemu. Omo nya to shoot that omo play man some more kakra. Ena almost a catch of your monty a common fast on the peja omo chrono and he omo more than and omo peja na do pepper so be we are now fed scandal money pepper now fed your master here day at Tunimaya Pesca. Okay. And omo be when we omo from the one couple of the one business
and club and supporters
see it's quite worrying when I compare to Manchester City or Liverpool. You don't even do that because it's so out of place. Yet to Liverpool, now 48 hours, 2 days, now team ne call bankruptcy. See, as I watch now, all the form mama say me
10 cities.
Say na meton.
10 cities. Unim the entire country. Some no here 10 cities too. And 10 million some
Liverpool valuation was done by Royal Bank of Scotland based on the car na Hicks and Gillett edano. Now taxation na watra no ne ho akoka dwam amanyosem in the Manchester City now atono e was so gem noko. He was in trouble in Thailand. Then they swooped in. Into Sika omo beto Manchester City no. And yet the right money valuation then. But Manchester United was valued as the richest sports franchise in England, not just football. Sports. No mo conference kabeje. Into nebo no be kosro. And no kasa o to Liverpool na nebo e say. Because I was time Abramovich Ebeje Chelsea no na nebo ne be say.
You never know.
Exactly.
I never because never offer
Abu, with the club, understandable. Objectives may be different in this particular case. Now, Manchester United supporters want an owner with an objective, say, on only their urban club no, or this club shape. And then more or less about business making entirely as the main purpose. If you look at the current trend of football, how we still FSG, most of the time they wish they had owners maybe on only this club because they buy your club home. So there's no harm with Manchester United supporters looking for an owner. No, business won't entirely be his priority. I'm not saying business is not part, but won't be entirely his priority in terms of gaining a lot. But more or less, Scandal and the almost supporting club Nankasa did to me say club Nankasa no plan uje no kwase no kwansi wonoma club Nankasa bitima generate ska e dey share omunyo ma bi on bitimi e dey top players dibia because a club that can estimate a revenue even at the end of the season projection and I'm not less than 550 million pounds and Abu you fully understand say Adidas campus at 900 million a day abanance 90 million pounds a year, so it is a money making machine which is the way they feel say omunya own a crampa business nye entirely na year club nankasa kwan ske be place or be baby brain kwan e be change and salaries are huge and that's
fantastic. So you see it's not enough when you OT figure say Adidas 900 million. You look at first of all major things in business. One, salaries, which is part of overhead and major overheads. What's the expenditure of the club a month? So you might hear a figure, but we share salaries are more to more players a month plus other overhead total overhead expenditure for the club. What's that? It is more than $1 billion.
Of course, definitely.
So yeah, easy sir.
Of course.
Glazers na koto mutim no moya omo yo mutim akoja be bi say omo fatim no omo fa mo bi ate omo jo
we need a different objective
omo japade no omo ye ene obesu ni so
ya fa ya homo mo na sisi abusu because every tewe no obesu we were confused at that problem. I believe that United fans want someone with a different objective to make sure the club will be moving forward. And dividends no come much and they almost because once their father was there, they were not paying dividends to the father. Papa ni free muno and Kulama Akumaku 6 obiaji dividend obiaji sa also no eka also no eka
oh David all the LBAT you what is that about me to say I like you kaka